Raise your hand if you're perfectly and magnificently average. Only a few, because statistically, half of you are below average and half of you are better at lying to yourself. Hi, my name is Arya, which you know by now, and I've spent better part of my last Wednesday Googling. And I want you to know because this is a true story. I asked Google, am I average? And to my surprise, you know what Google replied? It said, did you mean Average Joy, the famous web series? I personally felt attacked by a search engine, which nowadays is very common. By the way, quick question. How many of you like maths? Are good at it? Because I'm neither of it. But I did pay attention to few of my mathematics classes, because of which I have cracked the equation. The equation of average. So bear with me. Potential plus, bracket open, potential plus effort plus luck, bracket close, whole divided by fear. That's what you're capable of becoming. And what happens when you choose to be average? That same formula divided by comfort zone or infinite excuses. So clearly the math isn't in your favor. But here's what nobody tells you about being average. It doesn't feel like a problem. That's the trap, my dear friends. Let's compare being average with a warm bath. You sink in, you relax until the water slowly goes cold and you're shivering in a lukewarm life, wondering why everything feels a little beige. Average whispers to you. It says things like, don't embarrass yourself. What will people think of you? Let's just watch one more episode of my favorite drama. So clearly, average is not the floor. It's the ceiling you have installed yourself. Just when things started to get interesting, you said to yourself that I'll not go beyond this limit when there was so much waiting for you to try to explore. What I personally feel is graveyard is the richest place on the earth. Like books never written, businesses never started, music never made. All of that potential buried quietly, comfortably, average. But now I have to be honest with you because I'm clearly not a monster. Being average at something, completely fine. I mean, necessary. I myself, I'm terrible at cooking. Last time I tried to cook pasta, I almost burned the whole kitchen. And sports, I would be the last person to finish the race every time. So, being average is okay because the world doesn't need people who are good at everything. It needs people who are ridiculous about one thing and completely unashamed of it. You don't have to be exceptional at everything. You have to be best at one thing that makes you lose track of time. So here's your homework. Just one. Okay? Think about the thing which you have been thinking from past 3 years. Maybe the book, the recipe, the business, anything. This week, take a step. Not a fully planned step, maybe a barely counted, towards it. Because what I know to be true is, Oliver Wendell once said, the average person dies with the music inside them. So go and ruin somebody's aesthetics data. Thank you.